Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hagisnem gibalalait no sa din. Kawa Umkhrah, kapenyaso ya kibabun kishnong kitaw, hapo kanong ba shalong. Henry nakadaw ka jingbun ki yeng kisem, bat ki kampen roy, kalapen tronno, ya gani kawa. Habakren hagasngibo yo maunong rim, ban penbahaya kawa Umkhrah, nakalyang menteri rangba ka jelaw Conrad sangma, ula pentim. Balamang ya ka project nagabenta ban sna penbahaya kawa Umkhrah ka banlong, ka pedeng jong ka jingpen itenat, lakalong ha ka riti ka dostor neki kana, bat kiwei ki jingpen long yi kita masa baper, bat u Conrad ula pentim. Bai ya ka project ka jinglut kan kon, shadow ka lai po kandai Klur tingka. Shusho na kalyang Conrad habakren na ka sngi kumukongsan ula ong, baka thong jong ka project kamut tang ban pentemai ni Pynkylla dur yiki kiwa, Henry kumno ban pentemai bat pen itenat ru iki saudong saukun kat kum ke jingyat jong kapor hagani ke juk ke bamenta. Kumba ki benta jong kawa Umkhrah kaya lingba ni penyaso iki dong kishnat baper hapo kanong ba nakaliang menteri rangba ula Kyntu iki dong song snong jong ki dong ki tan banyak snok tilang kawai ban pentikna ya ka jingyat shakmat jong gani ke project kaban long kalat ban yada yaki kiwa kibalong kadur khamat kabapau bat kaban kren breu bat pen itenat ru ya kanong ba hi barok kawai hagani ka ngile don langru sembut menteri rangba ke jela uba snya bahalang dahar menteri ke sarkar jela uba al hek ki officer ki reu rangba bat kiwei
I recently announced that so many localities do cleaning drives on their own. And this is a natural kind of a culture that we have in our society. But government has not been supporting these programs in the past. And government has not actually kind of laid a program down to do these cleaning drives. So I had announced that as a start, and we will increase it as we go along. But as a start, we will begin by having one day in a quarter. That means every 3 months, there will be one day which the Deputy Commissioner will announce, where all the localities, all the schools, even leaders from organizations, political leaders, officials, we will all go down on the ground and we will do a cleaning drive on our respective localities, where government of Meghalaya, the Urban Affairs Department or the municipal, will fund these different localities, give necessary financial support to you to conduct these cleaning drives, and we do it, as I said, together in one particular day, and do it maybe one day. The message is that we are all together. The message is that we are concerned. While we clean, it will also create awareness. It will also build in the awareness among the young children who are very, very important to us. And hence we are hoping that this one day affair will be able to create a small kind of a movement among the people to then realize the importance of cleanliness and bring in the habit. And government would like to take the lead in this, but we need your support. And I urge the Deputy Commissioner to fix a date, maybe right after the Assembly session, in the first or second week of March, we can fix a date where we can start from this quarter itself. And this will be done in every single district headquarter for a start. And we will go down to the village level at the end of the day, because as you know, we have got what we call the Village Sanitation Committee, which actually has been formed. They are very active. We recently have distributed about 1,000 electric autos to them, garbage autos, to these different localities and villages at the rural area, and to keep their villages clean. So we are working closely with them, and we hope that this kind of a program will become a culture and a habit, and something that we will continue not just once in a quarter. Others may want to do it once in a month also. But at least we start, and therefore these kind of interventions are very crucial if you want programs like these to be successful. And hence, I once again would urge all of you to be part of this program, where we are able to work closely to keep Umkhrah clean, Because I know many people will say, what is the use of the waterfront if the river is not clean? And I agree. But as I said, we have to start somewhere. If you cannot start somewhere, then it will remain the way it is right now. But at least when we start the waterfront construction, the beautification, we start the program of cleaning drive, we get the support of Government of India to completely rejuvenate these rivers. I'm hoping that all of these things will fall into place one after another, and we actually will be able to find clean Umkhrah and Umkhrah and other streams across the state in a much more less polluted and much more cleaner manner.